The Sui token is quickly rising in popularity. So how do we buy some Sui tokens if we live in the USA? In the first part, we will set up a non-custodial wallet so that we have some place to store our Sui tokens that only we have control of. Having a Sui wallet will also allow us to trade tokens on the Sui network from popular DeFi applications. In the second part, we will go out and buy Sui tokens and send them back to our personal Sui wallet. Because we can't use MetaMask, the most popular options are going to be Sui Wallet and Sui. For this tutorial, we will be installing Sui Wallet, which can be used regardless of whether you live in the USA or not. The link to the extension for Chrome browsers will be in the description. To install Sui Wallet, go to your Google search bar and type in Sui Wallet and hit enter. And then one of the first results should be from the Chrome Web Store Sui Wallet. You just want to left click on that. And at the time of recording, the Sui Wallet has 800,000 users. You're just going to click Add to Chrome at the top right here. And then read the confirmation and click Add Extension. And you should be redirected to the Welcome to Sui Wallet screen. Down below, we have options to sign in with Google or Twitch. I would suggest not using either one of these options and selecting More Options. Left click on More Options and click Create a new passphrase account. Create your account password and confirm your account password. And then you have an option to select the auto lock timeout. Let's put a check mark here. And then we will automatically be logged out after 1 day of inactivity. And then click I agree to the terms of service. Left click on Create Wallet. Now that we have created the wallet, the last thing that we need to do is back up our recovery phrase. So you're just going to want to click on the little I here to show your secret recovery phrase. And then copy this and write it down somewhere. Keep it in a safe place. After you've done that, put a check mark in the box that says I saved my recovery phrase and click Open Sui Wallet. Inside of your wallet, you should see one account with your Sui wallet address. And you should also see options to buy Sui, but I wouldn't use any of the options because they either don't work in the USA or they have some outrageous transaction fees. So X that out. Now that we have a Sui wallet, we need to buy some Sui tokens to send to it. For this, we need to go out to a centralized exchange and purchase the crypto tokens. Unfortunately, if you live in the USA and already have a Coinbase account, you will not be able to purchase Sui. If you live in the USA, you will need to use Kraken or Binance US. For this tutorial, I will be using Kraken. The link will be in the description. Once you get to the Kraken website, you'll either need to sign in or sign up. Since I have already signed up, I will sign in. When inside Kraken, you can link a bank account and deposit USD. Since I already have some Solana on a Phantom wallet, I'm going to convert that into Sui tokens instead of depositing USD. So I'm just searching for my Sol deposit address. Make sure it's on the Sol network and then copy your new wallet address. Go to Phantom and paste in the Kraken wallet address. Enter in the amount of Solana you wish to send and click Next. Click Send. Then go back to Kraken and wait for your Solana to arrive. After it comes through, click on Trade from the top menu. We need to first sell our Sol for some USD. Click on the button that says BTC USD and search for the Sol USD pair and click on it from the market dropdown. I'm just going to sell my Solana as fast as possible. So I'm going to click on Sell and move the slider to 100%. Choose Market Sell from the dropdown. Now, since I don't have any USD, I need to make sure that the estimated fee comes out of Solana. So I have to click on the drop down and choose Sol. Then I can click Sell, confirm the market sell by clicking the Confirm button on the right. You should see a green confirmation box on the bottom right. Once we have confirmed USD in our account, we can head over to the Sui USD pair, enter in the buy for the Sui token, and then go and confirm it in your account. To do that, we're going to click on Portfolio from the top menu. Scroll to the bottom of the portfolio page and you should see the asset Sui. Click on the three dots to the right and select the option to withdraw. Then enter the amount of Sui to withdraw and paste your Sui wallet address from part 1. Then preview your withdrawal, and if everything looks good, you can confirm it. Finally, head back to your Sui wallet and you should see your new balance. If you want some Sui tokens and don't want to have to KYC on another exchange, then watch this next video or the video linked in the description.